Hi guys, this is Gaurav Bhatnagar. In this video, we are going to learn basic commands of Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7. In this video tutorial, we will go through all these commands which are written here. You can write down these commands. We are going to use these commands in this video. Okay, let's proceed to our machine. In the RHEL 7 machine, just click on Applications and select Terminal. Maximize. First of all, in the terminal, let me know you what is this command prompt. In this command prompt, you can see user at the rate machine name. Here, root is the user. We are working as root user, and the machine name or the computer name is server1. So the command prompt showing root at the rate server1. Okay. After server1 or PC name, there is a symbol. It's called tilde symbol. The symbol is called tilde symbol, and the tilde symbol represents the user's home directory. So we are working as root user, and the tilde sign is showing that root user is working on home directory. Root user on server 1 is working on his home directory, and the home directory for root user is /root. For viewing, we can type pwd. Pwd is a command that will print the working directory. Print the current working directory. Press enter. So you can see the presently working directory is /root. Root user working on server 1 in his home directory, and the home directory for root user is /root. Okay. In the square bracket, you can see the username, computer name, and the directory in which the user is working right now. And after this square bracket, you can view the hash symbol. This hash symbol is representing that root user is working on that machine. If the simple user is working on that machine, then the symbol is changed in dollar symbol. Let's see. I am going to switching the user as user1. Now you can see the dollar symbol. Just because user1 is a simple user, user1 is working on server1 in its home directory, and the home directory for simple user is always /home. pwd present working directory, you can see /home/user1. That means user1 is working on /home. In /home, he is working on his own folder, that is user1. So the home directory for root user is /root, and the home directory for simple users is /home then username. Okay. Now first command we are going to use here is ls command. Ls is the list command. As you know, we are working in /root directory. So if we want to view the content of the /root directory, the files and folders of the root directory, so we will use ls command. So you can see all the files and folders in the /root directory, and in this output, let me explain. In this output, the black, all the data which is black font, which is in black font, is the files, and which is in blue font, these are the directories. All the blues are directories and all the blacks are files. So with the help of ls command we can we can list the directory, or we can use ls hyphen l for long list format. Enter. Okay, now you can see in the long list format you can see the long list. In this long list, what is, I am going to explain you. First, in the first character where you where a dash symbol is representing, that is a file. Anaconda dash case.cfg is a file. Dash symbol first character file1 is a file. Dash symbol again file2 is a file. Okay, so where there is a dash symbol in the first character, that means it is a file, or the file color is black font. Black font color is file color. Where the first character is D, these are the directories. You can see downloads, document, desktops. First character is D. These are the directories. So ls-l is showing a long list format. First character, by first character we can see is it a file or is it a directory. Then these characters are the file permissions. RWX for read, write, execute, read, dash, execute, read, dash, execute. And these are the owner and group owner of the file or directory. Owner, group owner. Then the size of the file in bytes. Then the date and time when the file is created and the file name. So this is ls-l. Okay, with the help of ls-l you can use the long list format of a directory. The same command ll, you can use the ll for viewing the long list format. Same command like ls-l. Next command is mkdir. Mkdir command is used for make directory. With this command you can create new directories in your folder. So now we are going to create a new folder, mkdir, then the folder name folder1. Enter. Now list this folder with help of ls-l. Here you can see our new folder is folder1. Okay, with the help of mkdir you can create a new folder, and if you want to delete the folder, the command is rmdir, remove directory. Enter. Again press ls-l or ll. Now folder 1 is deleted. Okay, then the pwd command, present working directory. For viewing the present working directory, for example I am going cd/var lib. Okay, now you can see root user on server 1 is working in lib directory, but you can't say where is the lib directory. You can't say the whole path of lib directory. So for viewing the full path of this directory, you can type pwd or present working directory, press enter, and this is showing /var/lib. It means on the root of the file system, which is called slash, there is a folder called var. In this folder there is again a folder called lib. So presently we are working on var lib. So if you want to go in our home directory, just type cd or change directory and press enter, and you are in the tilde sign. Again you can type pwd and you can see it is your home directory /root. Okay, our next command is for creating files. So we can create files in Linux with the help of touch command, touch and file name, suppose file 3, enter ll. Here is your file 3, and you can see the size of the file is 0 bytes. So the touch command can be used to create files, but a blank file. This file contains nothing. That means the file 3 is a blank file, or the touch command can be used to create blank files. Then the next command for creating files is gedit and then file name. Suppose file 4. Gedit is a graphical editor. When you hit enter, there is a new window of gedit graphical editor. You can write anything in this file. And you can graphically save this file and exit this file. Now press list again, and you can see the file 4 is here. The size is 19 bytes. Okay, so there are commands for creating files is touch command, gedit command, and the next command for creating file is vim is vi editor. New edition of vi editor, vi improved. So after vim we have to type the file name which we are going to create, that is file 5, and press enter. In the vim command you have to type or press I for insert mode, and after the insert mode you can type anything. When you want to save this file, press escape from your keyboard, then colon W for write and Q for quit, and enter. Again list. So this is our file 5 which is created by vim command. So we can use vim command for creating files, we can use gedit command for creating files, we can use touch command for creating files. Okay, now how to view the content of a file? How can we view the content of a file? The next command is cat command. With the help of cat command you can see what is actually written in that file. So you have to type the cat command and the path of your file or the name of your file. The file name is file 5. So you can see in file 5 there is hello world written in it. Okay, hello. Okay, the next command we are going to use it cp command. Cp is the copy command. If you want to copy some files or any file to any directory, so we are going to copy file 5. The syntax of this file is this command is cp or the copy command, then the file name which we are going to copy, and then the path where we want to copy the file. Suppose we want to copy this file in /home, enter. So this file is copied in /home directory. Let's check it. So we are going to check cd for change directory, and path is /home. In /home ls-l for listing. So there is our file 5, same file. 14 bytes. This is also 14 bytes. Okay, sorry, this is 14 bytes file 5. So with the help of cp command we can copy files, or we can copy, if we want to copy more than one files we can use cp. Suppose we want to copy all these files, file 1 2 3 4 and 5. First I will remove the file from slash home directory. For removing the file we can use rm command, rm hyphen f for forcefully removing, rm hyphen f, then path of the file slash home slash file 5. That file will be removed. Now copy all files, so we are using cp and then file and star. You can see all file names are file 1 2 3 4 5. So file and then star represents 1 2 3 4 5. You can use question mark also because there is only one character after file 1 2 3 4 5. And then the path of the directory home, enter. Now check cd slash home ll. So here all files 1 2 3 4 5. Just like cp command you can remove all files. rm hyphen f for forcefully. Hyphen f is an option of rm command. Rm command is used for removing files, and the hyphen f option will remove the files forcefully. Otherwise it will ask for removing any file, every files. So you have to type yes enter, yes enter, yes enter. So I'm using rm hyphen f and then files question mark. Now press list. There is no file. Okay, go to the home directory, cd. When you type cd or change directory and press enter, you will get back to your home directory slash home, or if you are using simple user it is your home directory. Now our next command is date. Date. It will show you the current date or time. And in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 there is a new command for viewing or configuring date and time. This is time date ctl. Time date ctl. It will show you the time, local time, universal time, and the NTP status, network time protocol enabled, yes. Okay, date and date time ctl. The next command is df. Df is a command by this command you can view the partition table or partition information of your hard drive. So there is SDB1, SDA3, SDA1. These are the hard drive partition because they is device directory, and SD is our SATA disk. SDA means our first disk, and SDB it means our second disk. SDA1 means the first partition of your first hard drive. SDA3 is the third partition of your first hard drive, and SDB is your second disk, and 1 is the first partition of your second disk. Okay, if you want the size of the partition in human readable format, so we can type df-h here, and you can see the partitions there is D1 is of 497 MB, use size 116 MB, available size 382 MB, total use is 24%. Like that, as the B1 is our 976 MB partition, use 2.6 MB, available 907 MB, use only 1%, and it is mounted on part 1 folders, which is in slash. The USDA3 is mounted in slash home, the USDA1 is mounted in slash boot. So you can use df-h to view the all partition of your hard drive and the sizes of the partitions and where the partition is mounted. Our next command is fdisk. With the help of fdisk-l, you can see the disk information. Here is our command fdisk-l. It will show you the disk information. The USDA is our first hard drive. Size is 21.5 MB, and the size in bytes and the size in sectors. Okay, then the partition of the disks are SDA 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, number 1, 2, 3, 4 is our primary partitions, and number 5 is our logical drives. 5, 6, 7, all are logical drives. And the second disk is Dev SDB. Size of second disk is uh, about 5 GB, 5368 MB, and there is only one partition in it, Dev SDB 1. Okay, so for viewing the disk information, we can use fdisk-l or df-h. Both commands can be used. Our next command is echo command. Echo command. This command will print anything you want, like echo. Then if you type hello world and press enter, then you can see it will type hello world. It will print the output, because echo command will print the output on the standard output of the computer, that is our monitor. With the help of greater than symbol or redirecting symbol, we can say redirecting symbol, we can print this output in a file like file 6. Enter. Now the echo command will print the hello world in this file 6, which is not currently created, but with the help of echo command we will create a new file 6. We can see ls-l, there is a new file 6, and if we want to view the content of file 6 file, then we can type cat file 6. So there is hello world in this file. Okay, next command is free command. With the help of free command, we can view the memory information of our system: total memory, used memory, free memory, shared buffer and cache memory. But you can see the total memory is not in human readable size. So for viewing the size in human readable format, we will use free with an option -h for human readable size. In this output you can see the total memory is 1.8 GB, 1.8 G, used memory 944 MB, free memory 881 MB, share memory, buffer memory, all are in megabytes and kilobytes. Okay, our next command is find command. With the help of find command, we can find any file from anywhere in our Linux machine. So the syntax of the find command is, first we have to type find, then we have to define where we want to find this file. Suppose we want to find in slash root directory, so we have to type find, then the path slash root, and then the name of the file with this option name hyphen name, and the name is file 6. Suppose I want to find this file in slash root directory, then enter. So here is your file 6, which is situated in slash root slash file 6. Okay, with the help of find command you can find any file, or if you don't know where the file is, then just find this file in slash directory, because the slash directory is our root file system directory. It will search this file 6 in the whole hard drive and give output to you. It will take some more time and they'll then give the output to you. Still it is searching this file in all the directories of the system. Okay, it is completed. The next command is hostname command. With the help of hostname command, we can view the computer name or the host name of your system. Just type hostname and press enter. So in this machine the hostname is server1.example.com. Next command is clear command. With the help of clear command we can clear our screen. Just press enter. Next command is reboot. With the help of reboot command you can reboot your system. So I'm not going to reboot this machine right now. And next command is power off. With the help of power off command you can just shut down your PC. I don't want to run this command, that's why I use hash and then command. And the last command I'm going to use it, passwd command. With the help of passwd command you can change the password of your current user. Our current user is root user, and if we want to change the password of root user, we will type root passwd and press enter. And if root user wants to change the password of any other user, then the command will passwd and username. Suppose user 1, so it means root user is changing the password for user 1. Okay, and if you don't write anything and just type passwd and press enter, it means you are changing the password of current logged in user. Okay, passwd enter, type a new password, retype your new password and press enter. It will show you all authentication tokens updated successfully. That means you have successfully changed the password. Okay friends, this is our video on basic commands in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Hope you will like this video. Please subscribe, like and share this video.